Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect your Fire Stick to a USB port on your TV so you can power your device without needing an extra wall outlet. While Amazon recommends using the official power brick, many people prefer the clean look of a cable-free setup. And in 2026, there are a few legit ways to make this work perfectly. The first thing you need to do is identify the correct USB port on the back of your television. Most modern TVs have multiple ports, but they do not all provide the same amount of power. Look for a port labeled USB 3.0 or one that says 5 volts 1A. A standard USB 2.0 port often only outputs zero point 0.5 amps, which is not enough to keep a Firestick 4K Max running smoothly. If you use a lower power port, you might see a scam warning on your screen saying insufficient power detected, which can lead to a random restarts or your device getting stuck on the logo. To make the connection, simply take the micro USB cable that came with your Fire Stick and plug the small end into the side of the stick. Instead of plugging the large USB end into the wall adapter, plug it directly into the high power USB port on your TV. If your original cable is too long and messy, you can buy a specialized 6-inch power cable eliminator that is designed specifically for this purpose. In 2026, these short cables are a popular choice for wall-mounted TVs because they hide completely behind the screen. If your TV's USB ports are all power, there is a legit workaround called a power management cable. This is a special USB cable that has a small built-in battery pack